Hello! In this series of videos, we're going to go over how to make selections, specifically how to be able to isolate objects, pixels from your image, so that if you look closely in here, there isn't two dancers. One of the dancers has already been isolated, that you're going to be able to make selections on your images to make your own selections, your own isolations. So in this series of videos, we're going to be going over different selection tools. We'll go over how to use your basic polygon, your lasso and polygon tool. Then we're going to be going over how to use some tools that give Photoshop a little bit more control. We'll start off with the object selection tool. And then we're actually going to jump down to the magic wand tool. Then we'll come back to the quick selection tool, which is really cool. That helps you make some selections. We'll go over how to refine our selections, how to apply these onto layer mask, how to be able to move and to edit the actual shape of these selections. And then finally, if you have a tablet and a stylus, we'll also go over how to be able to paint your own selections. But all these tools are basically different ways of making selections, refining that selection so that you're able to either apply it as a layer mask or to make a copy of it. And uh, we'll also go over different transform tools, how to, once you've already have it selected on, how you could manipulate it. You could make it larger, you could shrink it down, rotate it, squash it, how to send it to another layer, and also how to be able to bring in other images into this Photoshop document. So that's all the fun stuff that we have in stored. So let's go ahead and get started. I'll see you in the next video.